It's February 8th, 2021. We had a blizzard here in Michigan. I got snowed in. And right now, the Amish is plowing my driveway with a team of horses. My vehicle, I have a Jeep 4-door Cherokee, Grand Cherokee. My Jeep was stuck halfway down my road, my driveway, and the Amish came over, started plowing my driveway when I was asleep. Got up because I heard the dog barking and come out, and the Amish is plowing my driveway for me. Even though I had a guy come out last night in a Chevy plow truck, broke his plow. I've had other vehicles come out here. Not yesterday, but yesterday I had a plow truck come out and they broke their plow. The Amish comes over with 2 horses, a team of work horses, and they plow my driveway, pull out my Jeep from being stuck, and want to make sure I can get in and out of my driveway. That is a good neighbor. He didn't want to accept no money. I made him take some money, and he says, I don't do that to neighbors. I said, well, he says, well, what happens if I need help? I said, I'll be there to help you. You need help. You've helped me so much. I will help you. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. But he took the money, and he's plowing with a team of horses, and here they come. Ain't they pretty? Them are some beautiful horses. No. But he's plowing me out with a set of horses. That's awesome. 2 horsepower. And I got a Jeep with 200 and some horses, and it couldn't move. It could not move. And them 2 horsepower, they don't have a problem. I can. All right. We'll give her a whirl. I got it in low lock too. All right. Yeah, before I didn't have it in the lowest gear I could get. Okay. And now it's in low lock, and so it should creep out. I hope. Okay. I hope.
Try that. I'm pretty sure it'll work because I got it on better.
All righty. I'm creeping out my driveway right now. Sorry about the video, guys. It's a rough day for me, but I'm trying to get a video and trying to drive through a snowbank is rough, but it looks like we're doing it. He got me brought out, dogs. He's got me out. I'm coming up to the road. He has got me broke free. Yes, he's got me out, guys. I'm out to the road. Believe it or not. He got me out. Yes, he did. He got me out. I'm on the road. I'm on the road in Michigan. In Michigan, I am on the road. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, this is my driveway. I'm going to come past my mailbox here. I'm going past my mailbox. This is my driveway. That's my driveway that I cannot get down. It is blasted shut. There's a shovel there and stuff. But the good old boy, my Amish neighbor, he came over with his plow horses and got me hooked up big time. Couldn't roll out my windows. But yeah, February 8th, 2021, we had a bad blizzard, a bad one here in Michigan. I'm still in 4-wheel drive low lock. I couldn't get out in low lock. And he's got 2 horses in me. No problem. I can try it.
You think you'll be okay now?
I hope so.
Okay.
I thank you so much.
You're fine.
You're
Yeah.
savior. Oh,
Yeah.
you need anything, you let me
Oh,
know.
I will, yeah.
I don't have a problem with that.
Fine. Yeah,
Right.
that's why I figured it. I come over and try to get you around. If it blows shut by Monday, I'll try and get it back open.
Thank you, because Monday I got a doctor's appointment.
What time's it?
My appointment's early in the morning.
So it's early? Okay.
Yeah, so Sunday night if it's really bad or if it stops by Sunday night.
Usually we don't get them out much Sunday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry.
No, but you know, I think whoever had the blade, he might be able to get it now.
Okay.
Because I kind of got it started.
Okay.
But I mean, if this works, that's